What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, hey Little Ray TV, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the squad. We back with another review video. So let's get excited. First and foremost, if you're new here, make sure you stay here. So subscribe to this channel as well as go subscribe to my other channel, which I drop my music on that channel. So go support me on my fashion, which is this channel, the reviews, the clothing, all that good stuff, and also go support and go check out my music on my other channel as well. Go follow me on Instagram, it's on the screen, so go follow me over there, go show some love. Also, if you're watching this, leave a comment, any questions, anything you want to say. I read and respond to everything. So no further ado, let's get right into the video. You clearly see the title, you see the thumbnail, you see the box. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, you see the box. Like I said in the intros, a Nike SB. Now, I only hit, I think this is probably like my third pair of SB, but not the special box, the colorful one from the skate shops. I'm probably never gonna hit a shoe like that unless it comes from Nike, sneakers, whatever, or I win on a raffle. But I think I won like 2 toddler SBs in my whole life now. And now this is the third one, and this is finally a bigger size than the 2 toddlers I won previously. So, just like you know, sometimes when shoes drop on Sneakers app, you try for whatever size you go for initially. And then when it sells out, sometimes they'll tell you, oh, your size is gone, try for another size. So I just kept trying. And as soon as I hit a size 6, which is converted to a men's 6 / boys 6, whatever it is different, but regardless, I hit a men's 6. So there it is. Men's 6 / boys 6, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's going to still fit you. So yeah, this is the slim, long box. And yeah, regular paper they give. Nothing too crazy. I didn't even check both the shoes, so I don't know if they come with different laces or not, but this is the Nike Dunk Low SB. The Why So Sad. First of all, to me, this is undervalued right now because I really don't know. Nah, it definitely doesn't come with no extra laces. So in the middle of all this, let me get a thumbnail while we at it since we're here already. Let's get that nice thumbnail. Either way, to me, this shoe is undervalued. Like certain sizes did go down obviously because people hit, so all the Mickeys sold it for a low price. But to me, I might ship this off to consignment because this might make way more money on consignment than it would reselling it on like second party apps and shit like that. But either way, this is a fire shoe, to be honest. Would I keep if it was in my size? Not really. Like certain sneakers I think is sexy and fire and all that stuff, but like you gotta think about the price point. Yeah, I paid what, 120, something like that. I forgot the price. Maybe I'm bugging, 120. I don't know how much I hit these for, but either way, this is a nice colorway. Like I said, obviously, it's the Why So Sad version. Oh, it does come with extra laces. I'm bugging. It's in the shoe, the extra navy blue to match the navy blue on the shoe, obviously. I definitely did want to check it out because, hold on. Inside the shoe definitely different. Like I said, I never had like a men's SB, so obviously it fits a little different, but it has the whole entire duck or whatever logo inside there. I don't know if you could tell. It has like a whole duck in there, but that's in that shoe. In this shoe, you only have the Why So Sad Nike SB written on the bottom, so that's the difference in that. They both obviously have the question mark in the back, referring to the question, obvious, why so sad. What else? The bottom is the exact same, icy bottom, red. What else? On the inside, it's the same. On the outside, it's the same. So yeah, it's just the eagle on there, or bird, whatever I said before. But either way, it's right there. So there's nothing different on the shoe. The only difference is the inside of it. Like I said, maybe my mind's playing tricks, but because this is a small size, you know how I always say small sizes look cute in every shoe. Like I said, without it being a collab, well, not collab, but just the Why So Sad versions, if you take away whatever it is, it's still a nice colorway. Got the nice baby blue, icy blue with the dark blue, and I like how the stitching is blue too. Yeah, this is basically a blue shoe. So this is why I'm so highly on this shoe. Like, I'm not saying it's a whack shoe, whatever. It's literally a fire shoe because it's the nice colorway. They didn't do too much. You know, for skateboarders and SBs, they always, sometimes, most likely, they always do too much. It could be too many colors, too much stuff going on. But this is actually a perfect colorway. Look at it. Blue and white. Nothing too crazy. To me, it's a perfect shoe. Perfect colorway. Nice silhouette. Everything is fine. Shout out to Nike sneakers for blessing it. So it's a size 6. If you're watching this and you want these, hit me up. We could negotiate a price and maybe you could cop them from me. If not, I will be shipping these out to, you know, where I could sell it for a good price. If you're not willing to pay the price, don't hit me up. Because lately people have been hitting me up to buy shoes, but once I tell them a price and I tell them free shipping, they still don't like the price. It's like, okay, what do you want me to charge you? Like, you rather support some other company, or you could support me, and I'm selling you, obviously, it's guaranteed 100% real shoes. And at the same time, it's a relationship. So hit me up if you want these. I didn't realize the bird or whatever is riding a bike. That's hilarious. Oh, so that is the difference. So this, on the left shoe, the bird is riding a bike. Like I said, you can't really tell with that, but he's riding a bike. And on the right shoe, the bird is on a skateboard. So that's the two difference. I'm not going to do it like this because you could, yeah, whatever. It's too much going on. But on the tongue, I think on the both. Okay, so both of them do say, why so sad on the tongue of it. Why so sad. And then obviously the tongue is written in red and yellow, so you can see that. But once you throw your pants on, it doesn't matter. Even if you put some shorts, it doesn't matter what color. Even if it's yellow, that still doesn't matter. The shoe is a fire-ass colorway. I do like these. Definitely a perfect shoe if you're a skateboarder, if you're a person that just wants to dress nice. These are fire colorway. I give this a pass. This is definitely worth the cop, in my opinion. So if you want these, cop up. I don't really know if anyone ever invests in SBs or anything, but for the price point it's at now, maybe you could invest, but I'm not, obviously. But I'm just saying this is a nice colorway. I can't see why this would break under retail or anything, especially because it's a fire colorway. Supply and demand. Sometimes there's not demand, but I don't know. Some shoes I like that people don't like, and that's fine. But to me, it's like, what better colorways would you want in a regular SB? Especially you could get it for low right now. So if it was me and I wanted these, I would cop right now for a personal. Everything else is whatever. But let me know, like I said, size 6, men's, boys, whatever. Hit me up. It's for sale. Just want to give you guys a quick little review. Like I said, I know you guys are probably seeing all the fashion videos and all the short videos on the channel, but the reviews will never stop. That's my bread and butter on the channel. You guys obviously subscribe to me and supported me for all this time. I don't know how long it's been since I've been uploading reviews and all that stuff, but reviews will never stop, okay? So continue to support the reviews when I drop them. Show me some love in the comments and likes, and also show me love on Instagram, and also go show love to the episodes when I drop all these fashion videos, okay? So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like I said, any questions or any comments, leave them down below, and I will make sure I read them and respond back. So no further ado, see you guys in the next video. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.